Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Tulsi and today is our first day of drawing class. Many artists are confused with the thing that from where we should start and so this is the place from where you should start drawing. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So let's move to our first warm-up exercise, and here we need to draw circle like this, and make sure that you hold your pencil like this so that you can make a perfect circle. And yeah, that's it. All the materials we are using here are in the description below, so you can check it out. We are not going to use this beautiful paper, but instead of that we will use an old book, and that is of course not in use, and this is a great measure to save paper. So please do that and reuse your waste old books. I suggest you to perform these exercises for at least 3 weeks, and that is 21 days. And I know this is little boring stuff, but believe me, if you do this for just 20 days, you will see a lot of improvement in your curves and your lines and your strokes. So please perform these exercises for at least 20 days. I mean 21 days, and see the result, guys. Okay, so now let's move to our second warm-up exercises, and here we have to draw a circle in one go like this, like I'm doing here. And this is little bit, not little bit, it is similar to the first warm-up exercise, but here we have to draw a circle in one go. I'm telling the same thing, but it's okay. Okay, so and try to make a different size of circle, and to save your paper, you can draw circle inside a circle, and that is a great exercise, and it will save your paper too. So now let's move to our third warm-up exercise, and this is joining the points or dots. So it is kind of fun game. Here we have to draw different points in certain distance, and we have to make a straight line joining them together, and try to try to join all the points with each other. I suggest you to take 2 pages each for all these exercises because it will help you improve faster. Let's move to our fourth warm-up exercise. Here we have to draw scribbles. So we have to do nothing but we have to make shapes like this. You can see mine. This is from my own mind, so you can do whatever you like. You can just draw mehendi designs or anything that you wanted to draw at that time. But try to make different shapes and different curves so that you can improve better. Let's move to our fifth warm-up exercise. Here we have to convert 2D shapes into 3D shapes. Like we have to convert squares, rectangles, um, triangles, etc. into 3D shapes. And that is a great warm-up exercise and for good for perspective kind of stuff. So you have to do that. You can search more 3D drawings in Pinterest, and I hope you all guys have Pinterest, and if not, please download it and select all the art boards so that you can able to understand that what is in trending, what is what, and yeah. Now let's move to our last but not least exercise, that is drawing random faces. You don't need to pay attention on the detailing, but make sure that you make different faces and try different angles. So these are all the exercises you need to do. But I forget to mention one more exercise. I'm really sorry for that. That is to draw horizontal and vertical lines, and do not use scale for it. And make sure you do them too. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope I help you in anything. Please don't hesitate to ask anything in the comment section, and make sure that you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon also. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and I love you guys so much. Bye bye, see you in the next video. And please guys support me so that I can make such videos more and more, and connect with you guys. Bye bye, see you in the next video.